Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To start budgeting with GoDaddy, visit the official GoDaddy website. Log into your GoDaddy account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Billing and Payments option within the Settings menu. Click on Billing and Payments to access your financial overview. Here, you will see a summary of your current subscriptions and services. Take note of all recurring charges associated with your account. Next, gather information about your monthly income and fixed expenses. Create a simple spreadsheet or use budgeting software for tracking. Input your total income at the top of your budget sheet. List all your necessary expenses, including domain registrations and hosting services. Assign a percentage of your income to each expense category. Prioritize essential services, ensuring they have adequate funds allocated. Consider setting aside a small amount for future domain purchases or upgrades. Review your current usage and evaluate if any services are underutilized. If any services are not needed, consider downgrading or canceling them. Once your budget is established, monitor your spending regularly. Make adjustments each month to accommodate changes in income or expenses. Utilize GoDaddy's billing notifications to keep track of upcoming charges. Review your budget every few months to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. With consistent tracking and adjustments, you can maintain a healthy budget with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.